Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. And you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in ruby red metallic with black leather interior. It has 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. It also has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, as well. It has the sport package, which includes the center console, and it has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's a 4x4. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team and they'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, which you can book online at islandford.ca. This vehicle has been upgraded with Toyo tires, a level kit, and a hard tonneau cover. The black button located on the body colored door is intelligent access, so when your fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the vehicle. In the door you have speaker and storage, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. As well, you have power folding mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here. Power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle in the body making it easier to get in, and you have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, as well as hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that will appear. And we can toggle through. I'll go to the beginning here. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O audio badging, as well as a little bin there, and you have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You're seeing the display screen there, and this is a touch screen. When I put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see the backup camera view. There you go. And as well, we can go through different options here. So for our audio, we can choose our sources: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your navigation map that'll pop up, and settings, so you can slide through for different options: Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. Down below, volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. You have dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, you have your 4x4 with locking differential and your Pro trailer backup. Little cubby there. In the center, a couple of USB outlets. And you can just push in the center and it'll close right up for you. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode. And when you press this, it'll appear on the dash, so you can toggle through normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then you also have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest is quite generous. Lots of room in there, and you can take the bin out. There's a 12 volt. Off to the side is a 12 volt 110 outlet. As well, you have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. As well, you have the power button to slide that power back window. And on a nice day like today, let's get some fresh air and press the button for the moonroof. Toyo tires, 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body colored door handle with the intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and you have backup sensors on your bumper. There's also a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, and inside is nicely lined. You've got tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You've got that tonneau cover and a tailgate step. When you're ready to lock everything up, you can use your fob. Just lock it up, walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And the nice thing about these doors is they open 170 degrees, so if you have a bigger item to put in the back, you've got the room to do it. The back seats fold up in a 60-40 split, and there's seating for 3. You just lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and to bring it back down, simply pull the clip. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you have an all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, USB, and 110 outlets, as well as air vents. Up above, there's hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.